that you don't rip them apart. Oh, who's in there?
Who's in here? Who's in here?
Who's in the polka dot wrapping paper?
Jaguar!
Wow.
He looks so different.
How does he look different, Lola?
Because he's tiny and his spot is all coming up.
He's half the Jaguar he used to be? I'm videotaping.
Oh my goodness, what's that?
Oh, I bet you I know who that's
so
for.
Cute. She put the hat on Jaguar.
Who do you think that's for, Lola?
No.
Me?
No.
I
Do you
think
think that fits you?
Who do you think that would fit?
Hudson? Buzz?
Who else?
Oh, that's so cute. It might be just that perfect size. Oh, that coat is so cute.
Yummy?
You're being silly now, aren't you?
No,
Do you think it would fit Chuck?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's too tiny. They don't chew up.
Oh, Buzz is sniffing Jaguar. Oh, he smells fresh and clean. Smell him.
You want to tell Nana Patty thank you?
Thank you.
Tell her in here.
Thank you.